Hello fellow traders, in this session, we will be looking at the two of the most actively traded stocks last week. The first stock in our list is Jollibee. In this daily chart, we can see that this stock bounced from its low of 108.8 last the 29th of May. Jollibee had a good run for the past few days, however, a strong level of resistance at 152 has been retested and refused to be broken just yet. This dancing bee also needs to build a stronger momentum from the bulls in order to break 152. If it does, we should see the next levels of resistance to be at 162 followed by 168. If Jollibee pushes to go higher, expect further resistance levels to be encountered at 173 followed by 178 and 185.60 in the short term. Relative strength index is currently at 63. We can expect Jollibee to skate back and forth at 152 level, or even lower if the market continues to trade with low volume and volatility. If JFC fails to rally, the next immediate levels of support will be at 141.5 followed by 135.5. If the bears are strong enough to push this stock lower, expect support levels to be at 130.3 and 125.5, which lies at 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. Deeper levels of support at 118 and 108.8 should also be considered in the short term. The second stock in our list is Dita. In this daily chart, we can see that this darling stock formed an uptrend channel, establishing higher highs and higher lows. As we have discussed in our last video, Dita reached the last level of resistance at 3.35 in the short term during the last week's trading session. It even peaked at 3.37 last the 18th of June and managed to close at 3.10. Forming a shooting star candlestick. A shooting star candlestick is a bearish top reversal pattern that may appear in an uptrend, and warns of a possible trend reversal. If the bulls push this stock higher, expect levels of resistance to be at 3.35 followed by 3.55. If Dita continues to rally, we will be eyeing for the next resistance levels at 3.67 and 3.76. The next extended levels of resistance will be at 3.85 followed by 3.98 in the short term. However, the current relative strength index is already at 75. If Dita fails to rally, the next levels of support will be at 3.17 followed by 3.06. The next retracement levels will be at 2.97 and 2.87, which lies at 61.8% Fibonacci. An asset usually bounces back and resumes its uptrend once it retraced at this level. If the bears push this stock lower, expect deeper levels of support at 2.75 followed by 2.57 in the short term. In summary, JFC is currently trading sideways, while Dita is in an uptrend in the short term. Remember, always practice good money management skills and refrain from chasing stocks as they go higher. It would be better to wait for a pullback. Never enter a trade unless you have strategically planned your entry and exit levels. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Candlestocks to get updated on the latest stock picks every week.